Dear student, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya Chapuli. Here is Department of Botany, Semester 2, Paper 4th, Taxonomy of Angiosperm for BSc first year student. In previous lecture, we completed the unit first. Now we will discuss about unit 2 of taxonomy. Unit 2, in this unit 2, the first point is binomial nomenclature. Taxonomy is the science of classifying and identifying plants. Scientific names are necessary because same common name is used for different plants in different parts of the world. And for that purpose, the scientific name is essential to each plant. That is, universal name is given to the plant. And for that purpose, Latin language is used for scientific classification. Binomial nomenclature system is one where the name of the plants consists of two parts. Binomial nomenclature system is the one where the name of the plant consists two parts, genus name and species name. And that system of classification was firstly developed by Carl Linnaeus. In this system, or in the binomial nomenclature, guidelines for the naming of the plants is given. These guidelines are: generic name are always capitalized. Generic name are always capitalized. Specific epithet is never capitalized if the person's name is involved. Either underlined or italicized. Author name is never italicized. When listing of several plants from same genus, when listing of several plants from same genus, full genus name first and later capitalized initial for subsequent species. Generic name is the first word of the binomial or binomial name. Generic name is the first for the binomial name and the first letter is capital. It is singular noun. The generic name is coined from different sources. Genus may be named in honor of the botanist, for Linnea for Linnaeus, Adansonia for Michael Adanson, Bohonia for around the Caspar Bohin. In many classes or many cases, generic name express some features of the plant. In many cases, generic name express some features of the plants. For example, Pterospermum, that is winged seed. Trifolium, plant having 3 leaflets. Spiny fruit. Some generic names are mythological or poetic. For example, Theobroma, that means God's food. Sometimes generic names are given after the name of place. that is country, mountain or river. For example, Araucaria or Araucaria from Chile, mountain cassia from Syria, Salvadora or Equatorial Salvadori. Specific name, it is second word of the binomial name. It is the second word for the binomial name. Its letter is small and it is an adjective. The generic names are coined for different sources. It may be description of plant, color of the plant or plant pot. For example, alba, that is white, nigra, black. Habitat of the plant, for example, aquatica, in water, arvensis, that is in field. It may be in the honor of some botanist, for example, Roxburghi, on the honor of Vanda Roxburghi. Specific name may be constructed from noun, for example, bignonoids, that is bignoia. It may be descriptive or adjective, for example, cordifolia, heart-shaped leaves. That is the some rules given by the Linnaeus for binomial nomenclature system. How the generic names are given, how the specific names are given. Advantage of binomial names. What is the advantage of that system? These names are simple. These are universal names and hence remain constant in different places, languages. This avoids confusion, effective in communication. Names are governed by the rules and recommendations. The names are easy to remember as compared to polynomials. These names are self-explanatory. The names are in Latin, which is a dead language not used in any country, so there is no controversy. That is some advantage of that system. In next lecture, we will going to discuss on taxonomic hierarchy. So thank you.